Let me open my Visual Studio where my project I've been coding. Wow, very nice. So as you can see, I have this college system with short courses. So I've done it with React and the backend using Node.js, and the database I've used MySQL. So from this my screen, so this VCT, it is the front end part. Then this VCT dash backend, it is the whole backend. So let me start the front end. Let me navigate to my front end folder. Very nice. So let me run my front end project npm run dev. Okay, let's wait for the local host. Wow. Then meanwhile, let's start our backend. So I'll navigate to my backend. I have opened another terminal. Let me navigate to my backend. So let me start my backend npm start. Okay. Now my server is running on port localhost 5000, and also my front end is running on localhost 5173. Okay, that's good. Let me also ensure my database is active and it's running. So this is my database here, school system. I've named it school system. So let me ensure it's working. So these are the tables in my database. Good. We shall see the work of this later. So let me run my front end localhost 5173. It's taking quite some time. Let's be patient. Good. So from my screen, this is my login dashboard. I've connected everything, the backend. So here is the admin login dashboard. So you enter the correct details and it will accept you. If you enter the wrong details, it won't accept. So let me try enter the wrong details and you see the feedback. So it had said invalid credential, meaning my backend, it has refused the login details. So let me insert the correct details. Wow. So as you can see, I've inserted the correct details and it does bring me to the main dashboard. So checking on the dashboard, we have the total student from my database is 31. The active course is 4, and we have total instructors 2. Here is the revenue for this month. Actually, it's fetching the correct details from the database. Good. So here, as you can see here, I've logged in as Bravo G, and it has fetched the right details. The admin, you can view the profile setting, you can log out. Okay. So we are in the dashboard. So in this system, we want to register a student. We want to register a student. Okay, you'll come up to the admission part. Good. So this is my admission form, as you can see. So we have the upload your photo. Let's start from there. You can just click on that. It will open any photo you have on your folders. So let me look for a photo. I can insert there. Do I have a photo? Let me look for a photo. Let's say this one, then I open. So as you can see, it has uploaded their photo. So let me take a name, Shemaya. Let me type Shemaya. Last name, the real breaker. Real breaker. Okay, let's guess the admission number, the ID number, let's say 50 something. Date of admission, let's say it's today, of course, today it's 9th and 11th, 2025. The gender is male. Nationality is a Kenyan. Vihiga, let's say county, let's say come from Nairobi. Phone number, let me guess. So those are 10. Email number, let's say rebecca@gmail.com. At gmail.com. Address maybe comes from, let's say, Kiambu. So there's the next button, you click and you head to the next. So previous school, let's say your previous school is Kamulu. Graduation year from that, maybe 2024. So he got maybe a B plus. Then, so program choice. So these are the courses that are within. These are the, not courses, these are the, so these I think they're the department, course, yeah. So we have the computer packages, AI, cybersec, graphic design. So let him register for AI. So intake, so we have the only 3 intakes. So we have the January intake, May intake, 2025, September intake. So let's choose September, then submit the form. So from the feedback, application submitted, your admission application was successful. So it has already accepted the student. Now let's confirm on the database. Let's navigate to this database and come to students. Where's the student table? Let's check if it has registered that student. Good. Let's search here Shemaya. Let me increase the number of rows to up to 100 since the data are very large. So let's search for Shemaya. Good. So here's first name Shemaya Rebecca. So his email, yeah, phone number, gender, department he has registered, and his photo status is active. Okay, good. So we've registered that student. So let's come to the student list and confirm if he exists. So these are the students within my system. We have that record of 32. So let me search Shemaya. So as you can see, we have Shemaya Rebecca is in the list. He's doing a course known as AI under Department of ICT. Admission date, which is today. Status active. Fee, he hasn't paid, so it's still pending. Performance, he hasn't done any examination, so it's poor. Then under action, we have view student details, edit student, enroll in modules, and or we can delete. So for now, we can view the details. So let's come to view details. Good. So under view details, we have his profile there, Shemaya Rebecca, his email, phone number, gender, status, admission date, attendance. Okay, academic information, course is doing AI, department ICT, performance of course poor. We have financial information. So the total fees for the course he has selected is 1350, amount paid 0, still pending, then progress is still 0. We have the performance analysis 0%, attendance 0, current grade 0. Good. So this is the view details. So we can enroll in module. So it depends with the level you want to enroll, but it's fine. So this is the view details, edit. So you can edit his details. You can come here and edit. Maybe you want to change his name, his course. You can come here and edit student. Okay. So let's go and do what? Insert the results, not the results. Let's go to payment. Let's make payment for this guy. So this is my financial management page. We have department summary, make payment. We have this fee statements, and we have also the history for the students who have been paying fee. So let's make payment for that student Shemaya, known as Shemaya. So we can come to the list, look for Shemaya. So here's the details already fetched. So the course fee is 1350. Amount paid, let's say you want to pay almost 600 shillings. Maybe method, it is cash. Maybe payment reference, maybe let's say let's forge. That way, then submit. So payment submitted. Fee payment has been successfully recorded. So let's check on the payment fee statement if it's already been submitted. So we need to refresh the page, then come to payment fee statement. So here the down we have the Shemaya rate breaker. So the fee charged is 1350, but he has paid 600. So the remaining amount is 750. It's pending, still pending. Good. So he can make another payment. He can also make another payment. Shemaya, where's Shemaya? Shemaya, here is the record. Maybe he has paid 200 again. So maybe cash, maybe reference, another reference hash. We can just guess and submit the form. So again, he has paid the twice time. So let's confirm. So let's come to the payment history and confirm how. So Shemaya Rebrecca, we can see his name is twice. At first, he had paid 600 through cash. Second time, he has paid 200 through cash. And here is the reference, and here is the actual date and the time he has paid the fees. Good. So this is the graph for the fees. We have also the department how it's doing in terms of fee collection. So let's go back to the student list and confirm the profile of Shemaya. View details. Good. So under financial information, you can see total fees is 1350, amount pending is 800, and then not pending. Amount pending is 550, amount paid is 800. Good. That's fetching very well. We have what also we have, is it the results? Let me confirm the results. So the results, let me confirm if there is result entries, marks entry for so here it's a challenge. Hope we'll fix very soon. But for the results, it can fetch the result for I have a student known as index student 001. He's doing level 1. So we can see his details are here. Maybe let's select level 2. So as you can see, level 2, he hasn't done any examination. So his details remain 0. So let's search for Shemaya. Shemaya was admission what? Let's just confirm from the student list. Wow, student 047, student 2047. So let's come to the results. 2047. Then search. So we can see it has fetched his name, his profile, the course duration of the that he has taken, but though the examination he hasn't, the performance it's poor. So of course the entry marks has not been inserted. Okay, we also have the instructor. No, are we done with the student? Yeah, we can do away with that student. So we can come to the student list and delete the that student Shemaya. Can come here, delete. So are you sure you want to delete this student? Okay. So student deleted, successful. That's working fine. Okay, let's go to the instructor table. Good. So this is my instructor table. I have the name, department, qualification, phone number, email, status, action. So here you can, let's begin. I can begin with delete. Are you sure you want to delete this trainer? Okay. Trainer deleted, successful. Okay, I can add a trainer. Let's say this trainer is a code master. Code master. Maybe the email is master@gmail.com. Phone number, yeah, that's possible. Gender, male. Department, maybe you want to be registered in which department. Fashion design is not good for me. Let's say film production. Add trainer. So trainer added, successful. Wow. So I can see on the list code master, department, what qualification. I hope to fix that very soon. So don't worry with that. Okay. Then we have the notification. I hope it's empty. I have not done. Sorry for that. Mhm. Also, we have the profile. So these are the people who access the system. We have the people who access the system. So I can come here, I can add a user. Let me select the photo of the user. Do I have photos? Oh my goodness. Where's the photos? Let me look for a photo, guys. Let me say this one, then okay. I hope that works fine for me. So full name for this user, let's say it's accountant. Let me just the real name. Let me say Bravo. No, Bravo Gia repeated. Let me say just Codemaster is enough also. Codemaster. Email codemaster at gmail.com. Maybe his role is a teacher, accountant, super. Of course, based on this system, I'm super admin. We have the phone number. You can place there that one. We have different branch. Let's say Nairobi. Status. So password. I can insert my password. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this password will be hashed, meaning it will be encrypted. Then save. Good. Oh, failed to add user. Request failed with status code 500. Why? Guys, I'm not sure what's happening. Why is it disappointing? Can we let me select Kakamega branch. Let me confirm the error. What's the error on my backend side? Yes, I'm not sure what's happening, but it was working before. Failed to add requests. Okay, 500. Let me confirm with my backend codes. Where controllers, users. Users. Get all users. Register user with email upload. Let me confirm what is the problem. So it replies with this message, user error message. So why? So let me confirm with my insomnia where I used to add users. Let me confirm with this my application known as insomnia. Unable to launch. Let's give it some time. It's taking too long. Wow, this is wonderful. Okay. Oh, wow, it's taking a lot of time. Guys, just be patient. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time. Okay guys, that I'll fix later, then I'll show you on my next video. So let's back here. We can just cancel this process. I'll show you later. So we have the settings. I've not worked on it. So we also have here. So I can log out, view the profile. So if you click view the profile, it will bring you to this part. I also have the notification, this bell here. So Ian James fully made payment. That is Felista Mutua payment. That, yeah, as you can see. So you can just refresh. You see again. Okay. So you can go back to the dashboard and see the recent activity. So this is my recent activity. So I'm still working on this. So we can come here also to the department. So this is my department board. I'm still working on it. I will not come to an end. So I can add a department. So this is my department. We have only 4 departments. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can add another department. Oh my god, my badness. That's not doing correctly. So I can come here to course. I can add another course. So you select the department on which you want to add the course. Let's say ICT. Maybe course name. So we have many courses under the department of ICT. Maybe let's say robotics. Description, innovation. let's say innovation. Duration maybe 2 months. One is just short course, 6 months. Maybe fee we want to adjust to at least 5,000. 5,000. So you'll bear with me. Sorry for that. 5,000. Okay. Then capacity we expect almost 70 students who will enroll in. Then we have, you can choose the instructor or leave it. So instructor, let's say teacher some. Then date, maybe it started today, so 9/11/2025. Then save. Oh, let's confirm. So we have here robotics. It's upcoming, of course. So it will take 3 months. Oh, guys, I told you to. So okay. Sorry for confusion, but it has placed 3 months. I said 6. Fee, it's almost 5K. 5K. 1, 2, 5K. 1, 2, 3, 5K. Let's update. Let's refresh. Guys, sorry for that. I'll work on it. I'll work on it on my next video. So guys, that's my project. I'm still doing it. I know I've remained with some months, so almost 1 month to wind up with this system because I need it by January. It should be working. So these my databases. I've been working on it on my daily basis. So this is my database. As you can see, I have different tables, activities, attendance, branches, and all those stuff. Yeah. Okay. Then back to these codes. So this is my front end. I can open the source components. I have the dashboard. As you can see, this is how my codes are arranged. So this is my front end. I have the backend with me. So let me just select that one. I have the backend with me here. All the controllers are here. All the routes are here. Then the server, where server is here. Then we have the here that determines connection. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Please ensure you follow on my channel, subscribe, share the video if it was good to you, and please let's meet to the next video. Sorry for the mistakes I've made here and there.